Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. I was at Walmart. I picked this up here, a preparation cart. Tired of fighting with my wife for a little table that I use to prep stuff in the garage and that during the winter months. So I picked this up. Let's get to unboxing this and let's get it together. So let's start by opening this box. Cut it open. There we are. Look at that. Let's see what's inside the box. Nicely packaged, from what it looks like. The first thing we see, the instruction manual. Look at that. I'm just going to put that off to the side right now. Next thing I see here on the top, metal rack. Could be for the paper towel holder, I don't know. We'll just put that down over here for now. That garbage pile. This goes garbage pile. Could be the hardware in there. We'll open that up in a few minutes. There's what looks like to be one of the shelves. Could be the bottom. There's another shelf. Looks like could be the bottom or the middle one. Not sure. I'll just throw this off over here for now. There's some legs. Right here, a couple legs. Put them down there. And we got here a couple more legs. 4 legs, that's good. And the last thing in the box looks to be the stainless steel top. So I'm gonna actually leave that in the box for now. I'm gonna move the box off out of my way. And then we'll open up that first box that we pulled out to see what kind of hardware we got. Okay, so let's open this box up here. Down there, and what do we got here? Here's where we got our hardware and stuff. I'm staying corrected. I believe this is where our paper towel will be held. So I'll just throw that over there. We got 2 wheels in here. Nice. A handle of some kind. Not sure what this guy's for. A couple miscellaneous pieces that just fell out. Maybe they flew out of the bag. And it looks like we got some bolts in here and some screws. Screws, nuts maybe. And last, we have, I guess this is what they call a phone holder for it. We'll see. Let's get this stuff all put aside. Let me take a gander through the instruction manual, see what it says, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, after looking through the instructions, here's the tools that are required from what it says. It just says you need an adjustable wrench and a plus screwdriver or a Phillips, whatever you want to call it. That's all you're going to need. I got 2 size adjustables because I don't know which one's going to be easier. The small one might be better, the big one. Not an issue. First step you're going to do is put your legs on, according to the instructions. So you get your legs out and get your screws from package A right here, which I've already opened up, and you'll need 2 per leg. So let's get these on, then we'll go for the next step. So step 1 is done. we got our 4 legs on. Now it's telling us to discard this over to the side for now. So let's get that out of the way. Next thing we're going to want to do is take our top shelf now. The stainless steel piece right here. Take it out of the packaging. Just like so. And what we're going to want to do with this piece here is attach the handle to it. Let's throw that off to the box. And here's the handle. Now the handle comes with 2 screws already attached to it. So you just remove those 2 screws and attach this to the top shelf here, or the work surface. And it'll go right there, just like so. So I'm going to get that done, and then we'll pick back up. That step's done. We have our handle on. Here's our top work surface. Our handle's on. Now the next step it's telling us to do is just put this off to the side for a minute or so. Grab the first part that we built, the bottom cart, just like so. And now it's telling us to attach the top shelf onto the 4 legs. Just like so. You will see the 4 holes on each one where you will attach it underneath. So I'm going to get this attached to the cart, to the legs of the cart now, and we'll pick back up from there. Top is now secured on. Now just a note for everybody out there, package A is finished. You have the exact number of screws you will need, so try not to lose them unless you got some extras kicking around yourself. But if you don't, try not to lose them. If you're working outside on the deck or something, make sure you put down some cardboard so nothing can fall through the cracks of your deck, or even in your garage like I am, whatever. Just a reminder, you have the exact number, so that's it. Next step we're going to do is take our package E and our package D, and we're going to attach our wheels now. So you have a washer and a nut. So 1 washer, 1 nut for each wheel. You'll put your washer on first. After you put the wheel on, you will put your washer on first, and then your nut goes on. I'll show you guys with the first one here. You're going to put your wheel just like so. There we go. Just going to put your wheel like that. Then you're going to put your washer on. Then your nut goes on. And these look like they're locking nuts. Yes, they are. So here we go. Just like that. I'm going to do the other side, get that done, get these tightened up, we'll pick back up. Our wheels are on. Now just a helpful hint for you guys. Here's where they suggest you use the adjustable wrench to do those nuts down there. Use a socket. 1/2 inch. You'll get it done a lot faster and easier instead of fighting with the adjustable. I didn't even bother fighting with the adjustable. I just looked at it. Okay. Get the 1/2 inch ratchet and socket out. Boom, done. So keep that in mind. Next step we're going to want to do is we got these 2 brackets here. We're going to attach those. And those go on this side over here. You'll see where there's holes on the side over here, right here, where these brackets attach. So now we're going to put those on. Don't tighten them down fully. Just snug it in there. That's it. Oh, and by the way, package A that I said they give you just enough, I just seen this one here, which is labeled extra, so they give you 2 extras. That's it. So, careful. You shouldn't have to use the extras, but at least you have 2 extras just in case you do happen to lose. These ones here, you have the exact number. Let's get this put on. So next, after we've attached these brackets here, just like that, we're going to take the first thing that we pulled out of the box, which I'm not sure 100% on what this is still. We'll see as we go. And this actually goes in to that there. One on this side, one on this side. And there we go. So now you can tighten down those screws once you get that on there. Let's get that tightened on. We'll pick back up. Step 7 is finished, which was attach this bracket on there that we just did. Whatever that's for, I'm not sure still. Not a big deal. Now it shows you step 8, which is get your paper towel holder. Right here, paper towel holder. Step 9, it's telling you to attach it. Well, they're missing something in there. Here's a look at the instructions here. Take a good look. There you go. They missed the step where they're telling you to put the middle shelf on. So let's go ahead. Let's get that middle shelf put on. Because they've skipped it altogether. Out of the package it comes. And here we go. We'll have to see where we're going to put this one now. You can put it on one of 3 adjustments that it has to go on. I think I'm going to go on the middle one with this one. Oops. My bad. And there we go. So that's on there now. And of course, I put it on the wrong way. Not a big deal. Just pull it out. Flip it around. Make sure you pay attention when you're putting this one on. It has the 2 screw holes where your paper towel holder will get attached. So now let's do that again. I did put it on wrong there. Not the end of the world. Quick, easy fix. There you see. Boom, done. Now that we have that on, we can spin it around, give ourselves some access here, and let's put on this paper towel holder. I'm going to get this put on. I'll pick back up with you guys. we've got our paper towel holder on right here. We can put a roll of paper towel on it. After a little further investigation that I've done now, doesn't say, but I see in the picture there, you can use this to put yourself a garbage bag on here. And then have your little garbage, kind of, sort of. I don't know. Guess you could take it off if you don't really want it, which I might end up doing anyway, or I might try and fit a bag onto it. I'll show you guys if I fit a bag onto it in a later video when I'm using this thing. Next step, and last step, is this here, what they call the condiment holder. Now this, take it out of the package, it's got 2 grooves on it here, which you'll see there's a couple groove spots over here. This just goes and fits right into those, just like that. You can adjust it, move it where you want. I'm not going to be putting this on right now, so I'm just going to put it back in the bag here. And the last thing here, which is what they say is your phone holder. You can put that down where you'd like to, and it'll hold your phone, move it around, whatnot. There's no actual holder for it anywhere. It's just rested on top. Maybe you want to have a timer or watch a video or something while you're prepping something, whatever you're doing. I'm going to be putting that back over here for now too, as well, because I'm not going to be using that just right now. And that's it. This cart's finished. This is the Expert Grill cart, preparation cart, sorry. I believe this is Walmart who actually owns Expert Grill. I could be wrong. You guys can correct me in the comments if I am wrong, but I believe that's the case. Overall, I like the height of it. I think it's a good height for a working surface. Everything else, sturdy-wise, it's not bad. It's a little flimsy here and there, you can feel, but it's not so bad. This was $128 at my local Walmart. I think it's a little bit cheaper in the US than it is in Canada, but here it's $128 plus your tax. That's a good little cart. It's going to help me out a lot while I'm prepping stuff and getting things ready. You guys will be seeing this cart in future videos. So there you have it. Expert Grill. Preparation cart. We unboxed it. We assembled it. Step by step. Now, you guys know what to do if you buy one. If you guys like this one, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.